Hi everybody and welcome to another update video on XRP. So XRP is pushing. XRP has reacted to the micro support area I shared with you guys in the previous video. For those of you who watched it and for those of you who are on our Discord server, you are aware there was a support. I believe it was this one. Yeah, I think it was this support zone, $1.99 to $2.05. And the idea was we should get a little bit more upside here against this support zone. That was our support area for upside continuation. And there was a nice and high level sideways consolidation pattern today. Price reacted to the 38.2 retracement at $2.02. And that's very often the ideal target for a fourth wave. Now we pushed higher anyway, so that's the past. The question is, what is support now? Well, you see it already on the chart. We have to adjust this support zone now together with the price as long as we grind higher. I still see this only as a three-wave move up. Yeah, a potential impulse in which we are currently in a third wave, and the third wave is a five-wave move, and the fifth wave is currently playing out. Okay, so if we talk about the structure here in a little bit more detail, I still think that we only have three waves up so far. I wouldn't call that a five-wave move. And it might seem interesting and it might seem exciting what's happening here right now, but let's take a moment to zoom out. Yeah, sorry. We still have a lot of work to do. We still have a lot of work to do. The bulls definitely need to show more upside, and the bulls need to take the price eventually above the $2.69 to $2.84 area. But it's a good start. Don't get me wrong, it's a good start. We were watching for upside. It's being followed. That is exactly where we needed to see that reaction down here. Yeah, exactly where we needed to see that reaction. So I don't have a problem with it. But just a word of caution, this is only a three-wave move up. So any pullback from here should ideally hold the $2.07 level to still allow for further upside. $2.07, that's the 50% retracement of the currently unfolding third wave. Okay, we might change the microstructure at some point. It might morph into a diagonal pattern, but for now, this is a possible impulse. So I have no evidence the pullback in wave 4 has started, but if it starts from here, $2.07 to $2.18, with $2.12 being an ideal support level. Now, if we zoom in a bit more, I think I could make a case here, even here, for one more high in wave 3, because this is also just a three-wave pullback. So we might still see something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we could get one more high in wave 5 of 3. Yeah. That's, of course, the smaller in wave degree we go, the more speculative it, of course, gets. Yeah. But if, we could add a micro support for that as well. It wouldn't really change much, but really, for those of you who are really interested in the nano support areas, yeah, this one would be it. 216 to 222. And we've already reacted to 222 slightly. So we might get maybe one more high. 216, below 216, it becomes clear that this fourth wave has started. But they are partially overlapping these support areas. So I think it really makes sense to consider the lower one here as the main one between $2.07 and $2.18. I actually just want to give you a quick update, so I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then make sure to also follow us on X for additional updates, charts, news, videos, and much more. I'll put the link into the comment section. You get here as well breakdowns of charts and much more, so feel free to follow. Thanks so much. Wish you a great day. Bye-bye.